Welcome, friends of the racetrack, and very welcome to our presentation video about the TEAM MAGIC B8ER buggy, the ultimate off-road buggy designed for both the track and all outdoor adventures. Today we will showcase the impressive features of this exceptional vehicle, which is available in two versions, 4S and 6S. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced modeler, the B8ER will take your driving experience to a whole nother level. The TEAM MAGIC B8ER is not just any buggy, it's a technical masterpiece. With splash-proof electronics, the B8ER ensures reliable performance in all weather conditions, providing hours of fun. Based on the race-tested B8 RS competition buggy, the B8ER has been designed for top-tier performance and durability. Equipped with a powerful hard brushless system and a 16 kg splash-proof metal gear hard servo, the B8ER is unbeatable. Let's take a look at the heart of the B8ER, the chassis. The 3 mm thick aluminium bottom plate provides the necessary rigidity and reduces torsion during the ride. This ensures stability, giving you a more precise driving experience. The suspension is equipped with aluminium shock absorbers and aluminium shock towers, offering excellent damping and shock absorption. The B8ER is fully ball bearing equipped and features high-quality CBD drive shafts front and rear for consistent, precise performance. The B8ER is fitted with HRC Racing Bulldog tires, offering great grip and long-lasting durability. Perfect for any terrain, whether it's gravel, dirt or rain. And let's not forget the body. It's made from robust polycarbonate, which not only provides an amazing look, but also offers extra protection for the vehicle internal components. So the B8ER isn't just powerful, it's beautiful and incredibly durable as well. Now, let's talk about electronics, the true heart of this vehicle. The B8ER is equipped with a 2500 kV hard brushless motor, which operates with 3S, which correlates to 11.1 volts, 4S, which correlates to 14.8 volts, or 6S, which would correlate to 22.2 volts. The performance is outstanding. The performance, which would conclude with a 3S battery, concludes to about 40 to 60 km per hour. A 4S battery would give you almost 85 km per hour. And a 6S battery can get you up to 110 km per hour. This is mind-blowing. The electronics are also splash-proof, and the 100 ampere hard ESC allows precise control of the power. In addition, the 16 kg metal gear servo, also splash-proof, ensures that you have a good steering and precise steering on every terrain and every kind of racetrack. There are some additional technical details. The buggy weighs a whopping 3,300 grams, which is really light, and has a wheelbase of 318 to 326 millimeters. The 10.8 to 1 gear ratio provides ideal acceleration, while the ground clearance of 28 mm at the front and 30 mm at the back ensures excellent obstacle clearance. You will fly over any object. What do you need to enjoy the full B8 experience? In addition to the vehicle itself, you need a transmitter with 4 AA batteries and a compatible charger. We recommend the star charger from HRC Racing and LiPo batteries with XT90 connectors, preferably the hard case models from HRC Racing. To sum it up, the TEAM MAGIC B8ER is the perfect buggy for anyone looking for speed, durability, coolness and driving fun. Whether you're on the asphalt or tackling rougher terrains like gravel or dirt, the B8ER offers exceptional performance with outstanding price-to-performance ratio, robust features and fast, precise electronics. The TEAM MAGIC B8ER will not disappoint you. Get your own and experience the ultimate driving sensation. Thank you for watching, and if you'd like to learn more, visit our website or contact us directly.